Welcome to this video on fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. As a cornerstone of the nation's governance, these rights are essential for understanding Indian polity for UPSC examinations. Enshrined in Part 3, these rights are often called the Magna Carta of India. They are justicable, meaning they can be enforced by courts to ensure civil liberties and maintain a government of laws. Article 12 defines the state broadly to protect citizens' rights, while Article 13 establishes the power of judicial review, ensuring that laws inconsistent with fundamental rights can be declared void. The right to equality covers Articles 14 to 18, promoting equality before the law and prohibiting discrimination. Notably, the Indira Sawhney case introduced the concept of the creamy layer to balance reservation policies. Articles 19 to 22 protect individual liberties. Article 19 guarantees 6 freedoms, while Article 21, the heart of the Constitution, was expanded by the Maneka Gandhi case to include the due process of law. Articles 23 and 24 prohibit exploitation, including forced labor and child labor. Articles 25 to 28 provide freedom of religion, reinforcing India's secular fabric by allowing citizens to practice and propagate their faith. Cultural and educational rights, under Articles 29 and 30, protect the distinct language, script, and culture of minorities, granting them the right to establish and administer their own educational institutions. Article 32 is described as the heart and soul of the Constitution. It allows the Supreme Court to issue writs, such as habeas corpus and mandamus, providing a direct remedy for the enforcement of rights. Fundamental rights are not absolute. Articles 33 and 34 allow for restrictions during specific circumstances, and certain rights may be suspended during a national emergency, excluding Articles 20 and 21. Finally, the evolution of the basic structure doctrine, notably in the Kesavananda Bharati case, confirms that while Parliament can amend the Constitution, it cannot alter its foundational pillars.